everyone, it's Carling with the Park Group, and I'm so excited to be here with Trisha of Riverside Homes today, and we are in front of their now for sale Sebring model in Crosswinds at Nocatee. So Trisha, please take it away.
So the model address here is 81 Oak Breeze Drive, and we definitely want you to come take a look at it yourself, but for now let's go inside and take a peek.
Sounds good, I'm so excited. Love the entry and the tall ceilings.
Yes, this is like that wow factor with the grand entrance, the 2-story, the open staircase, the light fixture. It's beautiful when you walk in this home. And it has a ton of natural light as soon as you step in too. So as you come in, this is going to be your owner's entry. So we have a little mud drop area with the bench and the hooks for your book bags. Goes directly into the laundry room. So if you do have a beach day or you're out playing in the sun and getting dirty at the park here, then you can come right in and drop any dirty clothes right here in the laundry.
So convenient. I love that laundry room and all the counter space you have in there too.
Yes, and I love having the sink in there. Makes it easy cleanup for anything that little ones would have, or even big ones. My husband paints, so I know that's like the perfect place for rinsing paintbrushes and things too. So lots of uses there and very convenient. So here on the first level, we are gonna have the owner's bedroom, but we also have this half bath for guest entertaining. And then we do have full storage under the stairs in this house as well. This is one of the few homes we have that do offer a ton of storage space.
I love that.
So as we come into the great space, we are gonna have that open concept, kitchen, great room, and dining. The one thing I love about this home is I still feel like the spaces feel defined. Like there's a space for it, even though it's all connected. So I feel like it gives that open feel without feeling like it's too much space.
Yes, I know exactly what you're saying.
So we have very well appointed options here in the kitchen. We have the upgraded cabinets to the ceiling, the Cove Crown molding, the champagne bronze and gold features, double oven, microwave drawer. It's a 36-inch 5-burner gas cooktop with the hood above, and it's a designer hood.
Gourmet kitchen, I mean, this is stunning.
It is exactly what people really, that makes the house the home in this area.
Love the island too. This is like a very, very large island.
Yes, and these are oversized chairs. You could probably fit 4 if you went a little smaller, but it does have that quartz on top, which everybody is raving about right now.
Love it.
We do have a walk-in pantry in here as well. And then as we're looking at the great room, it overlooks the large lanai, it backs to the preserve, and this is one of the last opportunities in all of Nocatee that has this type of view. There's only a few lots left to build, and so this is gonna be one of the last opportunities to kind of get that privacy and be part of this community. So it's really a unique lot that we have here that is just stunning.
Do not wait to come out and see this in person. Like Trisha said, this will not last long.
No, and unfortunately videos don't do it really the justice. Yeah. And one of my favorite features about this home is the double tray that we have here in the great room. We actually don't offer it anymore on any of our homes. So this is probably one of the last times you will ever see this distinct feature that Riverside offers. But I think it gives a lot of character, and it takes the ceiling height to almost 11 feet here.
Gorgeous. It feels so elegant.
Yes. As we head into the owner's suite, one of the things that people really love about this is not only the soft coloring that the designers have chosen in here, but the sitting room here, the bump out at the back, kind of that bay window feel. We've modernized it by making it squared off, but it does offer not only extra space in the room because it opens up the walkway around the bed, but it offers a really comfortable place, a retreat for the owners to come kind of unwind before they crawl into bed for the evening. So it's just a nice, relaxing, calming space for the owners of the home.
Beautiful. I could see myself with a book or a glass of wine.
Yes. And a lot of details went into this home, little touches with the chandelier. And again, we have the cove crown molding all the way through. And now we're going into our spa-like owner's bathroom with the freestanding bathtub, the large window for the natural light, the glass surround on the walk-in shower. It has 2 niches for your shampoo and conditioner.
So convenient.
Yes, large vanity, and this beautiful marbling in the tile that goes all the way through to the owner's closet.
I love the color selection in here. It's so soothing.
It is. It's very soft and calming. And the water closet, it does have a pocket door there, so if you do want your privacy, you can get it. And there's also a window in there, so it offers natural light too, so you don't feel like you're closed in. Plenty of room in the closet for whatever you have. And I can just picture this being totally built out with like built-ins in this closet to maximize the space, but it's stunning.
Very spacious. You need to see it in person to really get a scope of the size of the closet and this whole home. All right.
Now making our way back through, I'll just kind of remind everybody, again, the address here is 81 Oak Breeze Drive. We're in Crosswinds at Nocatee, which is located here at the south entrance. This neighborhood is zoned for Pine Island Academy, which is a K-8. So anyone that would be here would be attending that school, and then of course Lee's High School for all of Nocatee.
And I love the golf cart path that will take you directly from this neighborhood to Pine Island Academy to that designated golf cart parking area.
Yes, and there's crossing guards there every day at the start of school and at the end of school. So safety is super important here in Nocatee. And it's one of the things that I do love, that golf cart path that comes from the community goes directly to where those crossing guards are.
Amazing.
So as we come up the stairs, we come into this very large, oversized, super well lit with natural light space. This space can be used for so many things. And it could really, there's enough room to have multiple things happening at once. So for a homeschool family, we have room for desks, you have room for play stuff, you have room for a television, you have room for a TV. So just like it's set up here, where if you want a second living room space, or you know, sports and Hallmark cannot be on the TV at the same time. Whatever you need this space to be, you can really maximize it to fit your family's needs. Home office if you need it.
Totally.
And then in this home, we have 2 separate wings, which is amazing. And each wing is gonna have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom and storage. So each wing does have a linen closet. So we mentioned storage downstairs, and this is one of the features that we really like about this home.
You can never have enough storage.
Ever.
Just to put away clutter that you don't want out. Just throw it in the closet.
Tuck it in, exactly. And so all the rooms here, I know they're all decorated a little different, but they all do fit up to a queen size bed very comfortably. We have walk-in closets in 2 of the rooms. And so these 2 rooms back here, and heading back up toward the front of the home, we're gonna have 2 additional bedrooms. So that's 4 bedrooms up here with 2 full bathrooms. Plenty of space for kids, home office, guest room, guest bathroom, and again, lots of storage. So again, 4 bedrooms up here, 2 full bathrooms, and this front bathroom actually has 2 sinks as well. So you were able to see that, which is going to offer the ability for you know, multiple kids to be in there, or if you have 2 girls and a boy, or 2 boys and a girl, it gives everyone bathroom space, which is amazing.
No fighting over who brushes the teeth first. Everyone gets their time.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much for taking us through this home. I know it won't last long. Can you remind everyone how they can get in touch with you?
Absolutely. So you can reach me here again, the address 81 Oak Breeze Drive. If you want, you can call or text 302-388-3607, Trisha with Riverside Homes. And we're here to have you walk through this home and fall in love with it yourself.
Thank you so much for having us, and we'll see you guys next week.
See you soon.
Bye.